There are several types of insects that invade other insects, using them as hosts to feed, reproduce, or otherwise benefit from the host's resources. Here are some of the key examples. Parasitic wasps, also known as Hymenoptera. These wasps lay their eggs on or inside the bodies of other insects, such as caterpillars or aphids. The larvae hatch and consume the host insect from the inside out. Braconid wasps are known for parasitizing caterpillars, aphids, and other pests. Ichneumon wasps are parasites of various insect larvae, including beetles and caterpillars. Then we have tachinid flies, which lay eggs on the host insect, and the larvae consume the host as they develop. Cuckoo bees. Some species of bees, particularly cuckoo bees, invade the nests of other bees. They lay their eggs in the host's nest, and the larvae will consume the food stores and even the eggs of the host. Nomada or cuckoo bees lay eggs in the nests of other solitary bees, and the larvae kill the host larvae. Ants. Certain species of ants engage in parasitic relationships with other ant species. These ants invade the colonies of other ants, either to steal food or to enslave workers to serve their colony. Slave-making ants, like Polyergus, raid the nests of other ant species, steal pupae, and bring them back to their colonies. The enslaved ants then work for their captors. Parasitoid flies, also known as Diptera. These flies lay their eggs on or inside the bodies of other insects, where the larvae feed on the host's tissues. The Tachinidae family, in particular, parasitizes a variety of host insects, including caterpillars, beetles, and grasshoppers. Burying beetles, or Sylphidae. These beetles use the bodies of dead insects or animals as food sources and breeding grounds. Some species even invade other insect nests or carcasses to lay their eggs. Necrophilus beetles, for instance, often invade other insects' carcasses, using them for their reproduction. Ant parasites, specifically phorid flies. These tiny parasitic flies are known for invading ant colonies. They can lay eggs inside living ants, and the larvae consume the ants from the inside out. Phorid flies are notorious for parasitizing ants, with some species even exhibiting the disturbing behavior of decapitating their ant hosts. Mite parasites. Some species of mites invade other insects, such as honeybees or ants, to parasitize them. Varroa mites. These mites infest honeybee colonies and feed on bee larvae, weakening the colony. Red mites parasitize ants, causing harm to the host by feeding on their blood and tissues. Assassin bugs, also known as Reduvidae. Some assassin bugs act as parasites or predators of other insects, including beetles, caterpillars, and other soft-bodied insects. While not always strictly parasitic, they can invade and kill other insects to feed. Fungal pathogens, for example, entomopathogenic fungi. While not technically insects, parasitic fungi such as cordyceps and Bovaria species invade and parasitize insects like ants, caterpillars, and grasshoppers. The fungus takes over the host's body, eventually killing it. These insects have evolved specialized behaviors and mechanisms to exploit other insect species as hosts, often leading to complex and sometimes gruesome interactions.